Hello everyone and welcome to Alchar Coin. Today we are going to have a technical analysis for DigiByte. We are going to use different kind of tools and indicators in order to identify the general trend, and also we are going to have a look on different charting techniques. This is not a financial advice, it's for educational purpose only. Okay, so this is the DigiByte. The ticker is DGB on a 1-day time frame, and we start with, of course, with the fifth channel. We're using the fifth channel to identify the support and resistance. We got support, support, resistance, resistance. We got support represented by the yellow line. We got another touch of resistance. We can call this the breakout, multiple breakouts attempts of the downtrend level of resistance, the red line. Breakout, and basically it's pulling back towards the previous level of resistance, which becomes support. We open a buy position on the private Discord at around this level. We saw the breakout and we saw the retest. At this level, we started buying and we're expecting a massive continuation for this coin. The whole market is looking good. We might see an altcoin season starting up, so we want to be prepared for the future volatility and for the future growth. It's about the time for these small coins to have a rally. It's been a time of consolidation for more than 3 years here, when the market actually did nothing. It tried to break out first time, second time, and I'm telling you that most of the time, the third time is the one that will set the price to go parabolic, for a parabolic run. We're expecting, as I said, we're expecting for a massive future growth of it. We got support, we got support, we got support, we got support multiple times, the same level of support that's been resisted, that's been tested, and we're expecting for this coin to go and have a very nice and juicy rally. Let's see what kind of target we can expect. Of course, the first target that we're going to expect is going to be the 161 of Fibonacci channel, but also we can use a Fib extension, and we're expecting the first target, which is going to be the 1.272, the second 1414, and the third one is going to be 1618. Okay, this is the target that we're expecting. So our trade looks something like that. 10 million lines. Moment, so I can put a long position here. Okay, our trade, we got this entry, we put the stop loss just under the swing low, and we're basically targeting the 1272, the first target. We're going to exit here 60-70%, and we're going to take all the profit at 1618. After that, we're going to expect a pullback, see what the market is going to do, and after that we might enter again with another buy. But this coin is actually looking very good. We got the first rally here, a very big green candlestick on the daily. So what we saw here, we saw this Fibonacci channel, we saw the retest on the downtrend level of resistance that becomes support, and also we saw the horizontal line, the yellow line. Not only that, we saw the MACD. Okay, we saw the MACD at this level. Okay, also we saw the breakout from the MACD. We got a bullish cross and then retest on the same key level, and we open a buy position directly on the breakout. At this level, we open a buy position on this. Okay, we gave the signal to open buy on the DigiByte right away when the downtrend level of resistance was broken. Okay, so this is the candlesticks. Let's have a look on the Renko chart. And on the Renko chart, things are also looking very interesting, because what we got here, again, the same level of support. We got support. We got another level of support here. Okay, look at the wave trend. We got high, high. We got the first breakout. Okay, on the downtrend level of resistance is breakout. Come back for support on the previous level. That is the beauty of the Renko chart, because you can identify the support or resistance quite accurately, and that way you can prepare for good entries. Okay, because you know the structure, and you need to look on different kind of charting techniques, either candlestick formations or either some indications. But the Renko is very good of identifying the structure and to see where the support or resistance is. It's not the most accurate chart for entries. It can be lagging, but you can identify the support or resistance on the Renko chart, and then you can match them with the candlestick formations. And after that, of course, you can prepare your trade. So we got the breakout, retest on the previous level of resistance that becomes support. Also, we got the same level of support. The wave trend become into oversold condition. We got another rally. Okay, we managed to make a double top formation here. We got one top, another top. Also, we got a bearish divergence here. Okay, so this was the time to take some profit. The market come back down, and here we got what is called a bullish divergence on the Renko chart on 1 day. Okay, on 1 day. So we got what is called a bull divergence here. Okay, we got a low on the indicator here. We got a low on the price action, and we got a higher low on the indicator and a lower low on the price action. So this is what is called a bullish divergence, and that indicates a massive reversal of the market. So that's why we open a buy position here. And what kind of targets we can expect? Well, basically the same. Using a fib extension, again 1272, 1414, or 1618. Now, usually when this kind of trend reversal happens, okay, when you see this kind of massive bullish divergence after a long period of consolidation, just like what happened here, we're discussing about 1,274 days of consolidation when the market did nothing. This level of Fibonacci 1272, 1414, 1618, they can be breached very easily. They can be breached very easily, and we are expecting this to happen quite quickly. In the next coming months, we're expecting for these targets to be breached because the market has a lot of power to break this resistance. Okay, so sometimes the market can even come and basically breach the 1618 and immediately come and visit the 2618. Okay, so from the current price, that is going to be a massive 320% increase. Okay, because also by looking at the Fibonacci level from the highest point to the lowest point, let's have a look. From this point to this point, the market can come and visit the 0.50% fib, okay, which is going to be the next level of previous level of resistance. We got the first point of structure, or even 0.618. Okay, this level of Fibonacci retracement from the high point to the low point this time, which is also matching the previous level of support. So we got multiple conferences here. We are definitely planning to ride this to the upside. Okay, but we're going to secure some profits just to make sure that we are in the good side of the market. But we're expecting an explosive movement here. Okay, so we got bullish divergence, we got some sort of confirmation on the candlestick formations with the Fibonacci. And let's have a look on the range bar. Okay, on the range bar, this is a 200 range. And we can see that we have this kind of downtrend channel. Okay, we got this downtrend channel here. We got support. We got support. And also we got the same level of support tested. This was a week. We got resistance. And we got resistance. So this is the downtrend channel. We got the MACD. If you're looking at the MACD, what we can see? We can see that we have a low. Got a low on the price action. We got a lower low. So the market was definitely bearish. And then we got a pivot, a higher low. So this is what is called a head and shoulder formation, kind of. We got the head and shoulder formation here. We got the MACD, and also we're making some sort of higher highs. We got a high, we got a higher high, and we got another higher high. Okay, so this is bullish. This has the power to do something like that and to explode to the upside and to break the level of resistance on the downtrend channel. But I wanted to show you something again on the Renko chart. Let me remove everything. What I can show you here on is a bullish divergence. Here on the 2 hours, okay, we are breaching this this level of resistance, and you can see that the wave has some momentum here, okay, because we breached pretty violently. We got resistance, we get resistance, we got resistance, and this wave has some weight. So we're expecting for the market to continue to the upside. Also, if we're looking at some sort of resistance, we're about to break out. Okay, we are breaking out on the 2 hour on the Renko chart. We got the retest, and we're expecting for the trend to continue to the upside. So keep an eye on this coin. If you can find some good entries, this is a high probability trade. This is not a financial advice. I wish you the best of success with your trades, and I will see you in the next video.